How to replace the foam of the backrest. Remove the staples. Use a small workbench to hold the backrest in place. Again, cut it with your scissors to measure the thickness of the foam, which is 1 cm, 0.4 inch. Use your scraper and sandpaper to clean the plywood thoroughly. The backrest also has got a curve. Pay attention to that whilst taking your measurements. 43 cm, 70 inches wide, 20 cm, 8 inches high. Like at the seat, either draw the measurements directly onto the foam or use the plywood as a template. Cut it out. Give the adhesive spray a good shake. Spray from the middle, both surfaces. Then the other half. Spray both surfaces at the top. Make sure the adhesive covers the complete top of the wood and foam. In order to get a good bond, as the foam has to bend around the corner now, wait a few minutes before sticking together.